So it's day 4 and today we will be drawing a crab. So let's start with the cross, the blue cross for a sketch. And then let's make an oval. So let's mark the vertical axis with 2 marks and then the horizontal axis with a little bit bigger marks. And then just align those so we could make an oval. It's going to be a little bit flatter on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to make 2 holes on either sides to make the pincers for the crab. So for the pincers, just draw like a line and then the pincer shape, whatever you call it. So just copy what I'm doing. So we're doing the right pincers, the smaller pincer and then the larger side, and then proceed with the left one. And it seemed to be a little bit uneven, but we can correct that later. And then we're going to proceed with the legs. So there's 3 legs on each side. It's fairly easy, just align it with a horizontal line. And now we're going to proceed with the drawing of the eyes and the mouth. So let's start with a circle. So just write a circle in the middle of the blue line. And then another circle, so it should just be almost equal to each other. And then in the middle, draw the mouth, which is fairly close to the eyes. And then we're gonna shade this here in a little bit. So right now I'm just like correcting my lines, making the top a little bit flatter, like the diagram. And then you can erase like your mistakes. So now we're gonna go ahead and outline the crab like we always have in our previous drawings. Just trace the sketch lines with a thicker pen. So now we're just gonna trace the pincers, the body of the crab, the legs. You could start from whichever part you like, so it doesn't matter where you start. And then I'm tracing the legs right now. So now we're gonna outline the eyes. So outline the eyes and then shade it with black, the outer part, like so. And then outline the mouth and then shade the top part black. So now it's time to clean up your drawing, remove all the sketch marks, erase the sketch marks so we could color. So for this scrub we're gonna use a dark red. So I'm gonna start coloring it with red. You could choose whatever shade you want. So a little tip with coloring, always start with the outer corners so you can prevent mistakes. So like I'll color all the outside of the crab and then fill in the middle. And then just to be a little bit careful with smaller parts like the legs, because you can make it smudge. And then we're gonna color the mouth a little bit pink. So now let's start shading. So the shading, just use a maroon color or a darker shade of red. So I'm just shading the lower part of the crab and then the one side of the leg, the lower part of the leg where the light source doesn't hit. And that is our completed drawing for today. It looks pretty cute. So I'm going to be starting to include the time lapse of the whole drawing. It's just going to be a very quick video of how I drew it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Have a blessed day and I'll see you tomorrow.